Maybe I've completely lost my head, or I kinda sorta enjoyed Bhool Bhulaiya too, y'all. Suno, don't cancel me yet. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sucharita और यहाँ मैं फिल्मों की, शोज की, पॉप कल्चर की बातें करती हूँ. आप सब्सक्राइब करो तो आज आ जाओ सुनाती हूँ भूल भुलैया 2 का रिव्यू. Directed by Anees Bazmi, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 is a giant mainstream horror comedy nonsense. A boy-girl meet on a journey, they dance at a Coachella-like music festival, come up with many fantastically stupid plans for their immediate future, and are generally pretty chuffed with their cleverness until they realize कि उनकी mischief से बड़ी भी mischief चल रही है. That of the supernatural. Ooh. OG Bhool Bhulaiya was a Priyadarshan Neeraj Vora collaboration. Those two were a genre unto themselves. That movie was about science. It mocked superstition, and the two leading hero-heroine weren't in love with each other. In fact, Vidya Balan was married to Shiny Ahuja, and Akshay Kumar didn't even appear in the first half of the film. That was a good movie. Super hit. Mostly random but classic song. And there is a reason why till today you can picture Vidya Balan saying Ami Monjolika or dancing to Shreya Ghoshal and Preetham's Ami Je Tumar. You can picture it very, very clearly in your head. I mean, go back and watch Mere Dholna, watch the video on YouTube और मेरा नाम बदल देना अगर goosebumps नहीं आए आपको विद्या बालन की पूरी performance देखकर. Intercutting between reality and her imagination, fully committed to the Kathak. Oof! The one and only reason these two films merit even a passing comparison is because we are told कि ये spiritual sequel है, whatever that truly means. And throughout the film you hear refrains of the title song Bhool Bhulaiya, ting 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 ting. But apart from these comparisons, both these horror comedies are as juda as possible. Kartik Aaryan has never looked better. He has a swagger about him. He's very sexy. And together with Kiara Advani, the screen is just a very attractive direction for my eyes to be looking at. But Kartik Aaryan as Ruhan / fake medium Rubaba is expected to be both Akshay Kumar and Vidya Balan, despite a magnificent Tabu fully offering her services as anything you want her to be. She's the best. But despite a double role, Tabu is not allowed to take on Monjolika to avenge the horrors of being a woman and being denied what she desires, the same way Vidya Balan was made to do. But कुछ तो इसको posthumous superhero type बना दिया है. This really is a stretchy Anees Bazmi Farhad Samji film. The latter's Wikipedia bio threateningly even tells the reader he is infamously known for directing films like Houseful 3. Infamous. Writer Akash Kaushik's credits also include Houseful 4, Flying Jar, so you know exactly what you're going in for, but you're hopeful. Because if the script is good enough for Tabu, you want to trust her judgment. While Bhool Bhulaiya 2 is not a smidge on its predecessor, it's not even a good horror comedy film. It is a perfect execution of what it wants to be. A singing, dancing parade of the best looking people in the entertainment business here to entertain you. Because life में tension बहुत हजार चल रही हैं. कुछ टाइम के लिए बस भूल जाओ कि इस थिएटर के बाहर भी ट्रायल्स और ट्रिबुलेशंस हैं. BB2 doesn't quite fall in the same category as Heropanthy 2 because here at least there's a story. As stupid as it is coherent. The characters have arcs. I know I feel weird saying this myself, but there is an attempt to take actual Indian lore of chudails and bhatakti atmas and turn it into a visual spectacle. This is Manmohan Desai's cinema of our times. Go back and watch Amar Akbar Anthony. That film is ridiculous beyond measure, but it worked because it was respite in 1977. In 2022, KGF 2, RRR, Bhool Bhulaiya, they exist only to serve this purpose, respite, and serve it well. Jump scares work, the de-aging technology used in flashbacks is impressive, Sanjay Mishra and Rajpal Yadav's terrible jokes somehow land, Rajesh Sharma angry at Monjolika क्योंकि उसकी वजह से property का दाम गिर गया है, had to be in splits, and Kartik Aaryan saying ऐसा लपड़ लगाऊंगा works, even if it isn't quite Akshay Kumar's specific brand of seemingly improvised but scripted style of one-liner delivery which he had perfected in the 2000s. While Kartik Aaryan smolders like it's nobody's business and says things like I can see dead people unironically, he knows also that the film serves to propel him further towards superstardom. Kiara Advani once again plays Pretty Girl. I mean, she is pretty, but she's also pretty talented. A craft she gets to explore in one scene when the audience is led to believe that she has been possessed by Monjolika. Y'all, it is a very small scene, but our girl can act. So please just let her, na somebody. Instead, throughout this film, she's literally made to hide behind curtains and pillars and jharokhas and doors. It's poetic that Reet, her character, wears the most loud balis and payals, deliberately going chan chan chan, chan chan chan, as she runs around trying to conceal her obvious presence, as if Kiara Advani's inner actor is revolting to be seen while she hides in plain sight behind half-written rules. In the second half of the film, when the horror portions begin to horror, and we get a whole lot of काला जादू, voodoo, खून का बलिदान, murder, shudder, it doesn't work. क्योंकि मंजोलिका का end goal, objective, ulterior motive क्या है, ये last scene तक no one has a clue. I'm really trying to understand the appeal of Bhool Bhulaiya 2. It appealed to me too. Despite everyone involved in this film knowing कि कोई Critics' Choice Award ये film नहीं जीतने वाली है, क्योंकि understanding why this is working is a question of anthropology now. Never in my career have I gone to an 8 a.m. first day first show and have seen 100 people in the audience losing their shit laughing at one unfunny thing after another. I am at a loss. आप देखो film theater में जाके बताना फिर. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 is 45 kilos is what Kiara Advani weighs. Watch the movie and you'll know how I know. Subscribe कर लेना चैनल को, फिर watch करना है weekend पे. चलो.